Hi, welcome to the Design Your Own Doormat at the Personalized Doormats Company. I'm just going to give you a quick overview about how this works, add some images, some text, and just change a background color. It's not going to be anything fancy. I just want to give you a quick overview about how you can use some of these buttons in here in case you have any questions. Starts off with it just gives you a default color here when it pops up, but you can click on it and you can change that color by clicking down here. So we're going to go ahead and jump down here. We're going to change the color. We'll change the background color to a blue, like that. If you want to add an image, you go ahead and click on this image tab here. It may default to this one here, and then you go scroll down. You can add from any of these people, any of these image sets, image categories. Should have a lot of images that are very colorful, some more than others. So you can click on some pineapples, the universal sign for welcome. Add some pineapples in up there, for example. Now, once you get the images on there as well, you can change it. You can rotate them by using this. You can duplicate it. So you can set them up here. And let's say you want to duplicate it. You click this button over here, and that duplicates them. So you can have two sets of pineapples exactly the same. Where that helps is if you make them smaller, duplicate, you can duplicate them that way as well. I'm going to go ahead and delete these with the trash icon. Got the pineapples up there. Now I can add some text. I can say, welcome to Hans's house. Add text, just like that. And same thing, I can make it large. In this case, I think I'm going to go into the text and I'm going to return. So I'm going to put it on two separate lines like this. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to make this centered. So I just centered that whole text section there. So let me make that big. Now I'm going to go change the font. Welcome to the Johnson's house, just like that. And that adds some text to it. Now you can also add other things. You can add a background to this as well. So if you click backgrounds, let's say you wanted to go with a camo background, you can do that. But whoa, put the camo background on top of everything. So let's go ahead and go up here to the Manage Layers button. Click that, and then you can take this camo and move it up so that it is, there we go. Close that, so that way the pineapples are on top. That looks a little busy though, so we're probably going to go in and delete that and go back to the blue. You can also preview it here, but it does look the same as this. This gives you a grid, so you can have straight lines going across here. That way, if you're wanting to line up an image that you put here and here, you can try to line them. It'll give you an easier time lining those up. You can save this. So you can save the product. For example, call this pineapple. Save. And that way when you want to load it back up later, you can do that. This is one that I created before. So you see, you can just load that immediately. Let's click that one. You can preview it. You can add a QR code to it. If you click that, you just add a URL or some text, and that's a QR code, something you can scan with a reader. And then down here, your typical undo, redo, reset buttons. If you click this, you can download the image as well to your desktop. So that's it. Once you're done, you just click add to cart, check out, and we'll have the mat to you in about we'll have it shipped within 3 to 5 business days. So it should get to you whatever ship time is from the Georgia, Florida area. So thank you very much for coming. If you have any questions, give us a call, 800-899-0620. Thank you.